Muradabad is a beautiful city, and it is a land of all the brass production that happens. You know, the manufacturers there, they're very wealthy. It's also a great hub for all the exports of brass that happens, even textiles to an extent. So we saw that there was also a vacuum. I mean, despite having a plethora of wealth, that city lacked development. That city lacks a lifestyle, as you would call it. And we found that to be a wonderful opportunity for us if we can go and, try to upgrade just a few people's lives also. We would think that we have done our bit into taking care of our NCR cousin. So what we are doing there is we understand that Muradabad is not a high-rise market. It's not, I mean, it's not very welcomed there, to be very honest. So for the first time, Gulshan is creating a complex of villas. We've never done that before. It's our first low-rise project, which is sprawling across 13 acres. And we realized that over there people believe in staying in those koti setups, but they lack the basic amenities that a group housing provides. You know, for example, a club, a good security, decent gardens to walk around in, spa services. Noida mein all of these things are very, very basic. I mean, even a 50 lakh apartment would have that, but in Muradabad, even a 5 crore apartment does not have that. So we saw that as an opportunity, and there we are with our next Gulshan Dynasty in Muradabad. I say do it, man. I say do it right away, because I think it's high time that women need to stop feeling sorry for themselves and wait for their brothers and their husbands and fathers to buy their home. And I say that proudly because I'm the homeowner of 2 apartments, and I feel very proud because I'm the first woman in my entire family to be able to afford an apartment and buy it in a project like Gulshan Dynasty. So the sense of achievement you feel after that, there's no match to it. You might be the Fortune 500 people, or you might be on the Forbes 30 list, but when you own your own asset with your hard-earned money, you feel like you've conquered the world. And I would encourage everybody to please run after that feeling. Chase it, achieve it, and then live it. You'll love it.